Hi guys, welcome to another video in the candlestick series. So in this video we will be seeing what are known as hammers or hanging man. So let's start. Here guys. So generally whenever this kind of candles are formed, so again in these kind of candlesticks, the color does not matter. So the open can be higher than the close might be lower than the open. But what matters is that it has a long wick at the down and the body is stopped at the as the body is formed at the top with or without any wicks. So this is what a hammer looks like. You can see in real life also this is how a hammer looks like. So it is called a hammer when it is formed after a downtrend, and it is known as a hanging man when it is formed after an uptrend. I'll just show you some example of it in couple of time. So just understand whenever how to identify these kind of candles. You need to see two things. One, it should have a long wick at the downside and it should not have any wick or a very small wick on the upside. Yeah, and the color of the candles does not matter. Here, as I was telling, when after a downtrend a hammer is made, like this kind of candlestick, it is known as a hammer. But when same type of candlestick is formed after an uptrend, it is known as a hanging man. See, the names does not matter. What matters is the candlestick. You should always remember the pattern of the candlestick. The name does not matter. So these type of candlesticks are generally used to trade the reversals and not for continuation. However, I'll show you both the examples how it can be used for reversal and how it can also lead to a failed reversal. Yeah. So I hope you understand until here. Let's move on. So here you can see that the stock was going all the way down and then it formed a hammer. Again, see, it has formed a bearish hammer. The color does not matter, but once it was formed, it made the low. The entire trend was reversed. Yeah. So this is how it is used to spot the reversal, and it is one of the most powerful tools which are used by professional traders to the trade reversals and to identify change in trend. Yeah, I'll just show you one more example. Over here you can see after a huge bullish uptrend it was formed at the top. Now it is not known as a hammer, it is known as a hanging man. See, the name does not matter and the color also does not matter, but what matters is, see, it has a very long lower wick followed by a very small upper wick, and it looks like a hammer. So once this was formed, the trend reversed and it went all the way down. So this is how these candlesticks are traded generally to spot reversals. But as I told you in my previous videos also, in trading there is nothing what you should take it on the face value or in a literal sense. The previous example and this example showed you how to trade the reversal. I'll just show you how it also failed. Yeah. Over here you can see the market was going down and it made a perfect hammer candle. So ideally what would have happened? The market should have reversed from here. But what happened? The market went down. So you should be careful whenever you are trading with your real money, and whenever you are planning to trade. You should not jump into a trade after seeing a hammer or a hanging man that the market will reverse. You have to understand the sentiment, you have to understand support and resistance. So these are the very basics of the candlesticks which I am teaching you. I will show you exactly like how to trade them along with support and resistance and various other indicators. So understand as of now, like this is how a hammer or a hanging man looks like. These are generally used to trade reversal. I'll just show you one more example. So this was for the downtrend. I'll show you for an uptrend also. Yeah. As you can see, the market was going up, 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 and then a hanging man was formed. From here, the market should have ideally gone down, but what happened? It failed, and the market continued to rally up. Yeah. So like this is it about hanging man and hammer. So remember, whenever a hanging man or hammer is formed, the color does not matter. It should have a long lower wicks and a very small upper wick, and it should have a decent body on the top. So these are generally used to trade the reversals. Yeah. So if you like the video, if you learned something, so please share a thumbs up for it, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts or if you want to add up to anything, please drop it down over the comment section. Thank you for watching.